like honestly one of my favorite sweaters. Why am I getting rid of this? Good morning. This morning I'm going to take you along as I show you what things I am getting rid of this month. This is a collaboration with Organized with Joy, so I hope you enjoy this. Start with this bag, shall we? I have this thing with sweaters that I absolutely love sweaters, and I feel like every time I go to the store in the winter time and there's like a sweater, I have to get it. So I have these two sweaters that I got a couple years ago, and they're not as fluffy, and I have other sweaters now that I reach for every time before I reach for these, so they're going. And then I just got some maternity pants that never really fit me right. I did not like any maternity pants that did not have belt loops because
I hate my pants falling down.
it's like one of my pet peeves for myself. I hate it. So I have like 3 pairs here that I did not like wearing, and this maternity shirt that I just, it's weird. I don't like it. There we go. Just really quick. I am getting rid of my kitchen. My husband's gonna be watching this.
Wait, we're actually getting rid of this?
Yes, we're gonna get rid of this. I might just throw it away because, I don't know, it's really gross and dirty. Alright, I decided to get rid of a bunch of baby clothes. I got these from Facebook Marketplace, and I'm not all about this tie-dye. It's kind of weird looking. She doesn't need to wear these. So I'm gonna pass them along. I'm sure someone else will love them. Before I continue on with my next big bag of stuff, mostly clothes, but more on that later, I wanted to show you guys some things that I got rid of around my house. I say this in almost every decluttering video or organizing video. I always feel like after I declutter, I'm like, good, I'm good. And then a couple weeks later, I find a bajillion other things that I could declutter. So I got rid of 2 bikes. Someone gave us I think $30 for an anchor bike. We didn't want to sell it for a whole lot just because the brakes didn't work. So I'm sure someone's like, woohoo, they got a steal and they can fix it. And wonderful, because now we have space in our garage. And then mine I sold for $100. I had a camera bag that was really nice, and I passed it along to someone I know who is really into photography. And today I actually have someone coming and getting this table for like $5. I also got rid of our bassinet. Emma is very long. She is like 27 inches long now, and the bassinet was only 30 inches, and she's starting to like roll from side to side and like roll over and scoot. Sold the bassinet for $100. Moving on to the bag. So this bag is from my closet clean out Marie Kondo makeover video, which I'll link here. I'll just briefly go through these because it's a lot of stuff. My husband did end up getting rid of half of his ties, and we did end up putting it in a different container than the cheese box. The lovely cheese boxes that he used to keep his ties in are no longer in our closet. Alright, this never really fit me. I should have returned it, but didn't, and now I'm just donating it. Because every time I look at it, I'm like, oh, why didn't I do that? And I don't want to be reminded of what I'm going to do. T-shirt. This is really cute, and I love fall, but I don't like things that I can only wear one season. So, another t-shirt. I don't like this because it has like this little thing. So, pro tip, when you're getting rid of things, think to yourself, why do I not use this article of clothing? Is it because it's too small? Is it because I don't like the style? Is it the neckline? Is it the waistline? Once you understand a little bit about what you wear and why you wear it and what you don't wear, then when you go shopping, when I go shopping now, I will know that I don't really wear this color, and I don't like this down here because I like the option of tucking in my shirt if I want to, and with this, it's just a little bit weird. So this, it's see-through. I don't like it. This, it's white. I have a baby. White. I have a baby. White. I have a baby. It just doesn't work for me anymore. This I absolutely love, but it doesn't work anymore because it's white. This dress doesn't fit me very well anymore. Woo. So I really like it, but again, the color, not for me. This is no longer fits me. In the biceps, actually. I'm just kidding. This is just way too pink. And here's the thing. I remember getting rid of another all pink lacy dress like 2 years ago. And of course, when I'm at the store, I'm like, oh, I like pink. I should try having an all pink lacy dress. And I think I wore it like once, maybe twice. And then I realized, you know what? There's a reason why I got rid of that other pink lacy dress. Hey, look, another sweater. This used to be like really, really fuzzy, but it's a couple years old. And it's not as fuzzy and not my favorite anymore. Oh, this sweater. This is like honestly one of my favorite sweaters. Why am I getting rid of this? See, this is the danger. There was a reason why I went and put this in here. And now I don't remember the reason. And now I'm like, but this is my ugly sweater. This was literally the sweater that I wore to an ugly sweater contest because I thought it was hideous. I found in my parents' basement. And I was like, sweet, an ugly sweater. I need an ugly sweater for this ugly sweater thing. And then I went to this party and everyone's like, I love your sweater. And I was like, fun. And I've been wearing it ever since. I need to get rid of it. Because if I put it in the bag, there was a reason. And it was probably a good one at the time. I'm not thinking about it. Not thinking about it. I'm getting rid of it. It's fine. It's fine. I just want to close this by saying, I really love just having a designated spot where a basket or a bag is put. And throughout the days, throughout the months, if you have an item, I say this all the time, if you have an item that you don't no longer wear, like in your closet, and you're like, I'm not gonna wear this, why wait until the next time you go and declutter your closet to get rid of it? Just put it in the bag that you keep in your closet. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go and be sure to check out the other videos in this collab. Also, check out my Marie Kondo closet makeover, which I will link right here. No, I'm not keeping that green sweater, even though part of me is like, Emily, you really should, but it's okay. I have plenty of other sweaters. Be sure to check out those videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!